Alright, let's get down to business. And the very first thing you need to do to advertise on Facebook is to get a business manager account, and that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. So the first step you want to do is that you want to go to this address called business.facebook.com. If you have not opened an account with them before, then this will be a page that you see right now. Just want to let you know that you need to be logged in with your Facebook personal profile first before you can create a business manager account with them. And I'm not going to go through every single detail here because it's a very simple, straightforward process. What you want to do is that you will go to the top right here, click on create account, and just fill in the details. Now all this is rather self-explanatory, and I am using a test account just to demonstrate this. So let's just go down to it right now. Okay, your business and account name, we'll just put it your business name. Okay, I'm making this up, by the way. It should actually be your name, maybe your business name, private limited. Your actual name. So in this case here, this is the name of this Facebook account that I am doing a test right now. And when you add in your business email, it has to be the same email address that you use for your personal Facebook account. All right. So I'm just going to add in this over here as well. This is the email address that is attached to this particular personal account. All right. Click next. And all you need to do is just enter your address and your details. So for example, I'm just going to put Singapore. Okay, so what I've just done here is that I've entered my details, my physical address, or you can put it whether it's your home or your office address, that's okay. You will need to put in a website. So if you already have a website, just put it in here. If you don't have a website, for the time being, you can just put in your Facebook page address, and you can do just that. And don't worry, you can always edit that out afterwards. Now the next part is a little important. Business use. This account primarily uses Facebook tools or data to promote its own goods or services or provide services to other business. Now, choosing either one of this is not a problem, but I would recommend most of the time that you just put promote its own goods and services, because most of the time that's exactly what you are doing. And if you plan to run Facebook ads for someone else later, for your clients, you can always change this afterwards down the line. So yeah, that's about it, right? Click on submit. It'll probably take several seconds to create your business manager account. And what's going to happen is that you will arrive at a page like this. So after this, every time you log into business.facebook.com, you will arrive at the business manager interface that looks something like this. So I already have an ad account created here. If you're seeing this for the first time, you should see absolutely nothing at all. It should be a very clean slate. And in the other videos, I'll show you how to create your ad account, how to add pages, and other configurations that you can do. So if you already reached this page, then congratulations, you have just opened your business manager account with Facebook.